Quantity surveyors across the country have been charged to uphold the highest standard of professionalism in the discharge of their duties as a critical contribution to national development. The charge was made at the 2025 Annual Distinguished Lecture Series held in honor of QS Abdulrasheed Adeboyega Oyeniran with a team from policy to impact, transforming political agenda to national development through professional expertise. Speaking at the event, the national president of the Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, Dr. Aminu Muhammad Bashir, who was represented at the occasion, described QS Abdulrasheed Oyeniran as a man of integrity whose dedication to professionalism has brought success to his life and positively impacted many people. Also speaking, the chairman of the Kaduna State Fiscal Responsibility Commission and special guest of honor, QS Rabiu Sani Bako, commended the Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors for its foresight in promoting professionalism. He called for stronger collaboration between the institute and the Commission to enhance transparency, accountability, and effective resource management in public projects.
Kaduna State has made progress, but more needs to be done. Promote transparency in procurement and contract awards. Professional bodies like the NIQS should be part of evaluation teams. Institutionalize projects monitoring and value for money audits.
In his remarks, the former president of the Nigerian Football Federation (NFF) and chief host of the event, Alhaji Sani Lulu Abdullahi, appreciated the leadership of NIQS for honoring QS Abdulrasheed.
Quantity surveying, I'm just here to protect the interests of quantity surveyors. To say we are me. I finished 1980 as a QS. By 2000, that I started going to NIQS and NFF as vice chairman and subsequently as president. I had forgotten everything to sit and do QS work. But the practice, the knowledge which I've gotten gave me that strength, that wisdom to continue to establish my knowledge as QS in the NIQS, in the football industry.
Earlier, in a welcome address, the Kaduna State Chairman of NIQS, QS Dr. Bukola Oluko Olokun, thanked participants for attending the important occasion. She described the lecture series as an avenue to celebrate excellence, inspire younger professionals, and reinforce the values of integrity and professionalism within the profession.
We as quantity surveyors and the other built environment professionals are the custodians of value, the guarantors of prudence, and the engineers of efficient project delivery. We are the ones who translate grand visions into measurable, cost-effective, and sustainable realities. This lecture series is therefore a call to action. It is a platform to deliberate on how we can better position our professional skills to ensure that national policies are not just implemented, but are implemented efficiently, cost-effectively, and with maximum developmental impact.
Several participants at the event also shared personal testimonies highlighting the positive legacies, mentorship, and professional contributions of QS Abdulrasheed Adeboyega, describing him as a role model whose impact will continue to inspire future generations of quantity surveyors.
Almost every other day, you called me while I was in the US, while I was
his first son is marrying my first daughter. And Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, they are blessed with kids. They are one of the grandchildren that I've counted here.
If I have to reel out all the good virtues of this gentleman, I don't think we have enough time for that.
But Almighty Allah has his own way of positively exposing people who are of good and best character. That is exactly what Allah has done to us today.
The school is taking over your house. Where are you going to stay? You know, if the school takes over, he said, if it is for the benefit and the training of children and their development, he has no problem, he can perch anywhere.
Highlight of the event was the presentation of gifts to the celebrant, a recognition of his tireless effort, outstanding contributions, and enduring commitment to quantity surveying profession and national development.
It's an honor today that the Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors Kaduna chapter will deem it fit to honor me with this annual Distinguished Lecture Series. It's been a long road to travel, and it's something that any person will wish in his profession to be recognized as such.